Hi, I'm Rose Levy Beranbaum, and we're here today in Allerson's Orchards in Walpole, New Hampshire, eating two of my favorite cakes. Aren't they beautiful, guys?
Yes.
The first one we're making is a lemon poppy seed pound cake baked in a special pan, and wait until you see all the beautiful pans that will be doing all the work to decorate our cakes. The second one is a sour cream coffee cake with crumb topping that makes its own beautiful decoration. Stick around for more baking magic. Of all the amazing cake pans that are on the market, there's no reason why you ever again have to worry about making a cake look this beautiful by decorating it, because it's all done by the pan. Look at this array of cake pans and cakes, all made from just one batter. The batter I chose is the lemon poppy seed pound cake, my signature cake, my favorite #1. And let me show you how to make it. I start by making the lemon zest. I need a whole tablespoon of it, which is about the amount that one lemon will give. And I just love these microplane graters. Everybody really is crazy about them these days because you can see that it just takes off the amount of zest that is the yellow portion, which is the flavorful oils, and doesn't take that white pith underneath it, which is very bitter. And then it catches it all in the upper part. This was originally a woodworking tool, but it works really well in the kitchen. Now, I'm going to begin by weighing the flour, and I like to weigh because it's really quick and it's easy and it's accurate. So I have the cake flour already in the bowl, and now I'm going to turn on the scale and take out the weight. When I turn on the scale, the weight of the bowl and the weight of the flour has been taken out. So it's ready to receive the next ingredient, which is the granulated sugar, and it's 3/4 cup, 5 1/4 ounces. And I see 5.85. Okay, taking that out. And now to put in the next ingredient, which is the poppy seeds, I touch it again. Wait a second, it's going to go to 0, and I want 1 ounce. The tiny bit over really doesn't matter because you can see it's so much more accurate than if you were doing the measuring that I'm just trying to get in the ballpark. And now I'm not going to weigh the rest of the ingredients because they're so small they won't really register much. This is the baking powder and the salt. And these dry ingredients are going to be whisked together or stirred together right in the mixer using the spade beater. And it just takes a couple of seconds, but it won't hurt no matter how long you mix it because it's just all the dry ingredients. Nothing is activating until we add the liquid. Now we're going to go to the egg and the liquid ingredients. Now, this recipe calls for 3 large eggs. Extra large doesn't mean extra better. 3 large is 3 large, and that's the amount that's going to be necessary to make a really terrific texture to this cake. We have milk and vanilla. And since that's going to be added in 2 different steps, I'm going to beat them lightly together because it's a little bit hard to add it when the eggs haven't gotten stirred a little bit. But this is not an important part of the recipe. It's just to make it easier for you to continue to mix it. And now the one other ingredient that's going to go in with the dry ingredients is the lemon zest. Remember, zest is just the yellow portion. That's important because you want to have this have a wonderful lemony flavor. Stir it up. This is a really quick and easy batter that you'd be amazed to see how simple this is and what wonderful results it yields. This is the butter. Again, it's cool, but it's soft, so you can touch it and squish it, and it will dent. And now half of this egg vanilla mixture and milk. And this is kind of like a pound cake. It's more egg as the liquid than milk or water. Bring it up slowly and then to medium speed and let it beat for about 1.5 minutes. Okay, it's now mixed for 1.5 minutes, and I'm going to scrape the sides of the pan and then add the rest of the egg mixture in 2 parts. And I always start on low speed so it can integrate easily without splashing out. Okay, and now I'll bring it up to medium speed for just 20 seconds. And now it's evenly mixed in, so on low speed again, I'll add the rest. And that's it. That's the batter. 20 seconds on medium and we're done. Now I'm going to prepare the pan to make sure that it doesn't stick, because the whole beauty of this cake is the decoration that the pan gives.